The root of educations are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Dear student, how are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at your places. May Allah keep all of you in His mercy and protection. Ameen. This is me, your English teacher, and it's your English class. Before going to take starts, here are some instructions for you. Kindly listen to me carefully. Now these are instructions. Keep your English midterm copy and pencil with you. Take a screenshot of home tasks and activities. Do all work in midterm English copy. Keep your videos off. Use your headphone. Don't raise hand during the lesson. If you have any queries, ask the end of the lesson through chat. Join class with your name. Okay, students. Now these are instructions. Kindly follow them. Thank you so much. Now move to our class. So students, let's start our class. In last class, you learned about singular, plural, masculine, feminine, and their activities. Now, today we learn about opposites and activity-based question answer. These are our new topic. First topic is opposite and second one is activity-based question answer. Now, we discuss about opposites. Okay, students. Do you know what is opposite? आपको पता है opposites क्या होते हैं? Okay, let me share the definition of the opposites. Listen to me carefully. Opposites are words pairs that are related but totally different in meaning. Opposite are words pair that are related but totally different in meanings. Or we can say a person or thing that is totally different from or the reverse of someone or something else. यानी कोई भी चीज किसी भी दूसरी चीज से अलग हो अपोजिट कहलाती है. इज दैट क्लियर? कोई भी चीज किसी भी दूसरी चीज से अलग हो वो अपोजिट कहलाती है. A person or thing that is totally different from or the reverse of someone or something else is called opposite. कोई भी चीज जो एक दूसरे से उलट हो वो अपोजिट कहलाती है. Okay, now students, look at your screen. Here are some examples of opposites. I really hope you all understand what is opposite. Okay, look at the picture. This picture, and this picture also. They both are opposite to each other. Now, first picture, look at first picture. He is happy. He is happy. Happy means खुश होना. HAPPY, happy. He is happy. Happy means खुश होना. HAPPY, happy. What is the opposite of happy? Happy का opposite क्या होगा? Can you tell me? What is the opposite of happy? Yes. Now look at another picture. In this picture, he is sad. He is sad. Sad mean उदास होना. Sad mean उदास होना. Okay. This is happy, and in this picture, he is sad. Okay. Happy. Happy. HAPPY, happy. Happy means खुशी. What is the opposite of happy? SAD, sad. The opposite of happy is sad. Means udas. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Now repeat with me. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Yes, that's really good. Can you tell me again what is the opposite of happy? Wow, that's really good. The opposite of happy is sad. Now move to the other example. Okay, student, look at here. Look this picture. Yes, this is a front. This is the front of this boy. This is the front side of this boy. Okay, this is the front side of this boy. And look at this picture. This is a back part of his boy. This is a back part of this boy. Okay. Now front, front. 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 Front mean सामने. Front mean सामने. Okay. Can you tell me what is the opposite of front? What is the opposite of front? Yes, the opposite of front is back. B-A-C-K, back. B-A-C-K, back. It's mean पीछे. Front, back. Front, back. Front means सामने. Back means पीछे. Front, back. Front, back. Front, back. Okay. Can you tell me what is the opposite of front? Yes, the opposite of front is back. Okay, that's really good. Now move to the other example. Oh wow, what a picture. Look at this picture. She's a girl and she is tall. She's a girl and she is tall. Tall means lambi. Tall means lamba. And look at another picture. Which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of boy. This is a picture of boy. This boy is short. This boy is short. Okay. Now T-A-L-L, tall. T-A-L-L, tall. T-A-L-L, tall. What is the opposite of tall? Yes, the opposite of tall is S-H-O-R-T, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Tall means lamba. Short means chota. Repeat with me. T-A-L-L, tall. T-A-L-L, tall. What is the opposite of tall? Yes, the opposite of tall is S-H-O-R-T, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Yes. Again repeat with me. What is the opposite of tall? The opposite of tall is short. Tall, short. Okay, now move to the next example. Wow. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Yes, both pictures are the pictures of elephants. Okay, in this picture, this elephant is big. In this picture, this elephant is big. And in this picture, this elephant is small. In this picture, this elephant is small. Okay. The opposite of big is small. The opposite of big is small. Big means bada. Big means bada. Small means chota. Small means chota. Okay, now repeat with me. Big, small. Big, the opposite of big is small. The opposite of big is small. Big, small. Big, small. Big, small. Again, big, big. Big, big. Small, small. Big, small. What is the opposite of big? The opposite of big is small. Okay. Now move to other example. Okay. In this picture, what you can see? Yes, this is a picture of day, and this is a picture of night. Do you know what is the meaning of day? Day means then. Day means then. Night means raat. Night means raat. Okay. Day means then. Night means raat. Okay. What is the opposite of the day? What is the opposite of day? What is the opposite of the day? The opposite of day is night. The opposite of day is night. Yes, repeat with me. Day, night. Day, night. Day, night. D-A-Y, day. D-A-Y, day. N-I-G-H-T, night. Day, night. Day, night. Again, can you tell me what is the opposite of the day? Yes, the opposite of the day is night. The opposite of the day is night. Day, night. D-A-Y, day. N-I-G-H-T, night. What is the opposite of the day? Day, night. Okay, now move to the other example. Wow, look at this pouch. Oh, this is a full of gift boxes. Okay, and this pouch is empty. So the word is full. F-U-L-L, full. And what is the opposite of full? The opposite of full is empty. The opposite of full is empty. What? This pouch is full of gift boxes. So, full, F-U-L-L, full, the word is full. What is the opposite of full? Empty, E-M-P-T-Y, empty. Full matlab bhara hua. Empty means khali. Now repeat with me. Full, empty. Full, empty. Full, empty. Now repeat with me. F-U-L-L, full. E-M-P-T-Y, empty. What is the opposite of full? Yes, empty is the opposite of full. Full, empty. Okay, now move to the next example. Oh, this tea is too much hot. This tea is too much hot. Hot means garam. Hot means garam. Hot means garam. Okay, can you tell me what is the opposite of hot? What is the opposite of hot? Can you tell me? What is the opposite of hot? Yes, the opposite of hot is cold. Now look at this picture. This is the picture of ice cream. This is the picture of ice cream. How is ice cream in taste? Yes, it's cold and sweet. So, what is the opposite of hot? The opposite of hot is cold. The opposite of hot is cold. H-O-T, hot. C-O-L-D, cold. H-O-T, hot. C-O-L-D, cold. What is the opposite of hot? The opposite of hot is cold. What is the opposite of hot? The opposite of hot is cold. Okay, repeat with me. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. C, and the opposite of hot is cold. C-O-L-D, cold. The opposite of hot is cold. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Are you understand? Okay, that's really good. Now, move to the next example. Okay, now, in this picture, look at the girl. In this picture, look at the girl. She is in the house. यानी ये घर के अंदर है. In means अंदर. Out. In this picture, she is out of the house. ये out mean बाहर. Okay, is that clear? In मतलब अंदर, out mean बाहर. Okay. Now the word is in. I-N, in. The word is in. This girl is in the house. ये घर के अंदर है. And this girl is out of the house. ये घर से बाहर है. So the word is in. I-N, in. I-N, in. What is the opposite of In. What is the opposite of in? Yes, the opposite of in is out. O-U-T, out. The opposite of in is out. O-U-T, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Okay, what is the opposite of in? The opposite of in is out. Okay, now move to the other example. Oh, which picture is this? Okay, this is a picture of fat man. Fat किसे कहते हैं? मोटे को. Okay, this is a picture of fat man. And which picture is this? Look at another other picture, second picture. Which picture is this? This is a picture of thin man. Thin mean patla. Thin mean patla. Okay. Fat, F-A-T, fat, T-H-I-N, thin. What is the opposite of fat? What is the opposite of fat? The opposite of fat is thin. Fat, thin. Fat मतलब मोटा, thin mean पतला. Fat मतलब मोटा, thin mean पतला. F-A-T, fat. T-H-I-N, thin. What is the opposite of thin? Sorry, what is the opposite of fat? The opposite of fat is thin. Fat, thin. What is the opposite of fat? The opposite of fat is thin. Fat, thin. Fat means mota. Thin means patla. Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, student, now move to the other examples. Okay, now in this picture, she is going to upstairs. She is going to upstairs. Up mean ऊपर चढ़ना. यानी ये लड़की ऊपर चढ़ रही है. She is going to upstairs and she is going to downstairs. The word is up. The word is up. What is the opposite of up? Up मतलब ऊपर. Up मतलब ऊपर. What is the opposite of up? The opposite of up is down. Down means नीचे. Down means नीचे. UP up. UP up. DOWN down. DOWN down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Okay, what is the opposite of up? Down. Down is the opposite of up. What is the opposite of up? Opposite of up is down. Okay, she is going to upstairs and now she went to downstairs. Okay, now move to the other example. Oh, in this picture, she is dry, and in this picture, he is wet because it's raining. Okay, are you getting my point? The word is dry. Dry means सूखा हुआ. Dry means सूखा हुआ. Wet means गीला. बारिश की वजह से ये गीला हो गया. Okay, dry. What is dry? Dry means सूखा हुआ. What is the opposite of dry? The opposite of dry is wet. The opposite of dry is wet. Dry, wet. Dry, wet. Dry, wet. What is the opposite of dry? The opposite of dry is wet. The opposite of dry is wet. Okay, now move to the other example. Okay, look at this look at this picture. In this picture, the door is closed. Another picture, the door is open. The word is close. The word is close. Okay, can you tell me what is the opposite of close? Look at the pictures. Yes, close means once. The opposite of close is open. In this picture, the door is closed. The word is close. Close, open. Close, open. Open means खोलना. Open means खुला हुआ. What is the opposite of close? The opposite of close is open. Close, open. Close the door, open the door. Close the door, open the door. ये रोज it's daily routine words. Okay, so are you remember this? close, open, close, open. Now move to the other example. Oh, which reptile is this? This is snake. Is this is too much long, and this is also snake. This is baby snake. So that's why this is short. Long means lamba, short means chota. Long, short, long, short, long, short. Long, long. The opposite of long is short. Long, long. The opposite of long is short. Long, short. Okay, wait. Now here are some examples. In the, which picture is this? This is a picture of happy face. Happy. What is the opposite of happy? Yes, the opposite of happy is sad. In this picture, the tea is hot. The tea is hot. What is the opposite of hot? Yes, the opposite of hot is cold because ice cream is cold. Hot, cold. Happy, sad, hot, cold. Okay, in this picture, the bird is in the cage. In this picture, the bird is in the cage. Now, the bird is in. What is the opposite of in? Yes, in other picture, the bird is out of the cage. The bird is out of the cage. So, what is the opposite of in? Out. In, out. In, out. Okay. Now, in this picture, sun is shining. So, this is a picture of day. This is a picture of the day. Okay. Can you tell me what is the opposite of day? Yes, the opposite of day is night. Okay, students. Now here are some activities. It's from your copy. This is your copy page number, midterm copy page number 117. The caption is match the picture with correct opposites. You have to match the picture with their correct opposite with the help of ruler. Okay. Now another this is other page, copy page number, it's 118. Circle the correct opposite of the given picture. Now here is the picture of hot, and other side there is different picture, cold, pencil and duck. So you have to color circle the only ice cream because ice cream is cold. In other activity you have to do by yourself. Okay. Okay, now this is your copy page number 119 and the caption is pick the correct picture. So you have picked the only correct picture. Fat is written in box. So you have ticked the only fat. And here is short written in the box. So you have to pick the only short pencil. Okay, in other activity solve by yourself. Okay. Now, beta, this is another topic, activity based question answer. Okay. I am telling you what is question answer. I will tell you how to write the answer of the question. Okay. First, you have to understand what is question. Question is a type of sentence that require an answer. यानी क्वेश्चन होता है जिसमें आंसर की जरूरत होती है. Question is a type of sentence then that require an answer. We ask question to someone in order. We ask question to someone in order to get information in reply or in answer form. मतलब आप किसी सवाल पूछते हैं ऑर्डर वे में और वो आपको जवाब वहां से मिलता है इंफॉर्मेशन वे में. ओके. ओके. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर क्वेश्चन आंसर. First, here is word IT8. Here is the word IT8. Look at this. Look at on your screen. Here is the word IT8. It is a pronoun. It is a pronoun. It is used for things and animal. It जो है वो हम pronoun है, हम इसको animals और thing के लिए यूज करते हैं. Okay, is that clear? Now आपका जो आंसर होगा वो आपके क्वेश्चन में से होगा. Okay, now look at here. So question is it an orange? Is it an orange? क्या ये orange है? Is it an orange? Is it an orange? क्या ये orange है? No. 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 Your answer is should be yes or no. Okay. No, it is not. यानी नहीं, ये orange नहीं है. Okay. It is an orange. No, it is not. It is an orange. No, it is not. It is an apple. Okay. Now move to the other question. Is it a sun? Is it a sun? It's mean क्या ये सूरज है? Yes, it is. यानी yes, it is. जी हाँ, ये सूरज है. Is it a sun? Is it a sun? Yes, it is. Okay, now move to other question. Okay students, now the question is, do you like banana? अच्छा, यहाँ पर like का मतलब आप सबको पता है. like का मतलब पसंद करना. सही है. like का मतलब पसंद करना. क्या आप बनाना पसंद करते हो? Do you like banana? Yes, I like. Do you like banana? Yes, I like it. Do you like banana? Yes, I like it. Like mean पसंद करना. Okay, now other question is, do you like spider? Do you like spider? Do you like spider? Spider किसे कहते हैं? मकड़ी को. So do you like spider? No, I do not. Do you like spider? No, I do not. Why you don't like spider? Because spider is harmful for us. Spider हमारे लिए नुकसानदायक है. Okay, do you like spider? No, I do not. Okay, students, are you understand? Okay, now move to the activity. Look at your copy page number 1 to 5. Here are some activity based question answer. You can take a screenshot of this activity. I am explaining some question. Okay, the question is it an apple? Is it an apple? And here is a picture of apple. Okay, picture is necessary. Picture is should be here. Okay, or picture is necessary for this type of question. Okay, is it an apple? Yes, it is. Is it an apple? Yes, it is. It's mean क्या ये apple है? तो yes, it is. जी हाँ, ये है. Okay, now look at another question. Is it a moon? Is it a moon? No, it is not. नहीं, ये नहीं है. No, it is not. Which picture is this? This is the picture of sun. So this is not moon now. So our answer is no, it is not. Okay. Beta, can you take a screenshot of this activity? Okay, now it's your copy page number 127, and here is our questions in different way. Do you like mango? Do you like mango? Like means मैं already बता चुकी हूँ. Like means पसंद करना. Do you like mango? Yes, I like. Do you like mango? Yes, I like. Okay. Do you like ant? Do you like ant? No, I don't like. Why you don't like ant? Ant किसे कहते हैं? चूटी को. Because चूटी is harmful for us. No, I don't like. Okay, students, you can take a screenshot of this activity. You have to do activity by yourself. Okay. Now our home task is complete copy pages from 117 to 119 and 125 to 127. Okay, students, again I am repeating. Complete copy pages from 117. It's mean 117 to 119 and 125 to 125 and 127. You have to complete these pages. Okay. Again, beta, I am repeating your home task. Complete copy pages from 117 to 119, 117 to 119, and 125 and 127. Okay, beta, you can screenshot of this your home task. Okay, students, it's all about today. It's time to leave. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz from my side.